Hey there, nice to see everyone. Let's talk today about solving systems of equations, the substitution method of doing that, okay? We have several methods, basically, but this is the most common, the most regular, the most general, because it fits everywhere. If you master this method, you would be fine, okay? You'll be good at any kind of situation. And we have this kind of system of equations, 3x plus y equals 10 and 4x minus 7y equals 5. So substituting means, first of all, we need to pick a variable with which will work, which will derive by another variable. And in many cases, the best way is to pick the variable which has either coefficient 1 as y here, right, or negative 1. The other options are also applicable, like it could be plus or minus 2, plus or minus 4. So even numbers as coefficients work fine, as well as multiples of 5, as well as multiples of 5 and 2. The substitution method is not always the shortest, okay? But it's really powerful and you could apply it anywhere, okay? And be successful. So let's before substituting, let's derive y equals what? So to do that, we have to subtract 3x from both sides of the first equation, okay? And we get 10 minus 3x. And this expression we have to substitute into the second equation, okay? 4x minus 7y. Let's do that. So 4x I just rewrite, minus 7, but not times y, times 10 minus 3x, okay? Times 10 minus 3x. Supposed to be 5. You could either just go with this figure brackets through the whole process of solving. I prefer just to pick the equation and deal with it until the very end when I see the result. So I'll pick the second one and let's work on it together. 4x, let's expand the parentheses now, minus 7 times 10, 70, okay? 7 times 3, 21, minus times minus is plus, so plus 21x equals 5, equals 5, okay? Next, 4x plus 21x, these are the like terms. Let's combine them. We'll get 25x minus 70 equals 5, okay? Then, let's again add 70 to both sides. And finally, we get 25x equals 75. Next step is just division. Let's divide by 25 both sides. And with that, we have x equals 3, obviously. Cool, right? Now, if I ask you, is this a solution? You should answer no, okay? This is not yet. So, because to solve the system is to find x and y which suits the system, okay? And good point is that we already have the expression for y, it's here. So let's substitute again x to the first one, and we get y equals 10 minus 3 times 3, which is 10 minus 9. Obviously, y equals 1. This is the solution, okay? We've got it. Well, you could think of what is the most complicated here, right? The most complicated step. But again, if you do everything carefully, whichever way you take, you'll get the result, okay? You'll be safe, you'll be fine. And we'll talk in the later videos about the ways to solve by the substitution method, the ways to solve these systems of equations in case we have kind of other coefficients like 2 or 5 or whatever. That's all for now. If you like this video, give it a rate. And if you have any particular questions on algebra, geometry, math in general, physics, please feel free to write, to leave your comments. I'll be happy to answer. So wish you all kind of success in your studies. Okay. See you. Bye.